everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's project, all you're going to need is a shirt of your choice and a pair of scissors. And the first step that we're going to do is turn it to the back of the shirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it in half and make sure that my side seams are lined up. Okay, so what I'm going to do after that is I am just going to fold a part of the back shirt over so it just makes cutting the slits a little faster. So I'm just gonna cut about ½ inch slits all on the back, and I'm just gonna adjust my my folded fabric there because I am cutting the slits all the way to that side seam. And once you are done that, I am just gonna grab a pillow just so it makes it easier to see what I'm doing. So once I get that, I'm just going to do a simple bow. I'm just gonna grab a couple strings and make a bow like I did in a previous video. So there I just grabbed 4 strings. Now, you see how I left out that neck collar? I wish that I had added it on, like with my bow there. But that's fixable. You can just cut off that collar, or you could just go ahead and add it. Yeah, so all you're gonna do is just tie a basic knot and make sure you double tie it so you make sure that your knots are secure. And just grab another 4 strings, and right here I did not cut it right in the middle. Now what you want to do is make sure that you do cut it in the middle, so then your bows are in the middle of your shirt and won't be lopsided and one side won't be longer strings than the other. But yeah, if you do mess up, then that is okay. That is fixable. Now, yeah, you see how I was kind of thinking, holding up that neck piece, wondering if maybe I should have cut that off. But yeah, for this other part here, I just grabbed a bigger pillow just so it stretched out the shirt more. I'm just shaking out the shirt so I can see all of my strings and make sure that all of my strings get put into the weave that we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a basic weave, and I'm just going to do that below the bows that we did. Here I am about to get ready to do the basic weave. Now I'm going to take the first string and I'm going to take the second string and put it under the first string, and take the third string and put it under the second string, and so on and so forth until you get to the bottom. Now I hope you can see what I am doing. I do have another tutorial showing how to do these weaves close up. Once I get down to the bottom, I'm just gonna hold it with my toes and move those weaves over. And the next thing I'm gonna do is go all the way to the top again, and I am gonna do a twist weave. And it's basically the same as the basic weave, but you add a twist. So once I add that twist, I'm just gonna take the second string and put it through the first, and grab the third string and put it through the second, and so on and so forth until you get to the bottom. And then once I get to the bottom, I am just going to tie it all off. And in the same video that I was telling you about on how to do these weaves, I show how I tie my weaves off. I can't really explain it because it's a little complicated, but yeah, if you would like to see another video on how I do my tie-offs and the weaves, then I can do another one. But once I am done that, I'm just adjusting my weaves there, and then I'm going to try it on for you and show you what it looks like on. So this is what the front looks like. It looks basic, and then here's the back. Now you see that neck piece, I wish I would have cut that off, but yeah, that is it. That is it for the tutorial. Now I hope I explained everything well enough. If not, and if you have any questions, then please leave your comments down below. And if you would like to see more tutorials like this, then hit that subscribe button, and I will definitely be doing more videos. Thank you everybody for watching, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. It means a lot to me that you have chosen to watch my videos. But yeah, until another video, I will talk to you guys later.